Hello everyone. So today I will share with you how to set up data science environment on Linux. The first thing you need to install is Anaconda. Anaconda is a program to manage packages and environments to use with Python. This is tailored specifically for data science. Even if you already have Python installed, it will be beneficial to use Anaconda because it comes with a bunch of data science packages that you will need to start working with data. It also installed Conda by default, which is the command line interface that you will need to manage your packages and environments, and this will reduce the headache when dealing with various libraries that you will be using. And it also comes packaged with over 160 scientific packages and their dependencies. So the first thing you need to do is to get started and go with the individual edition and download the Linux version, the big one, which is the 64-bit installer, and save it on your hard drive. While it's downloading, if you go to the help and training of Anaconda and go to see the documentation, look under the installing on Linux steps. Now there is a lot of prerequisites that you need to get installed on your system before actually using Anaconda. And because I'm using an Ubuntu here today, so I will have to install the Debian requirements. So I copy this and go into my terminal and sudo and paste these dependencies. Next, after the download is finished, I need to navigate to my downloads. And now I can see that the file has been installed. I need to run it. And it starts the installation process. I just need to follow the instructions here. So press enter and you just keep hitting enter for more. And then I hit yes. Now this will tell me where the Anaconda will be installed, which is the default location, and it's recommended to leave it in the default location. And I press enter. And that's it. Now the installation is complete. However, it says here that I need to actually init the Conda. So I need to tell the system which Anaconda to use. I have to go back to my home directory first and go to source Anaconda 3 bin activate. And as you can see here, the base Conda environment is now activated. Now I can run the conda init command. And now I can start using Anaconda. So I can now check what version of Anaconda I have using the conda -- version, and indeed I have the conda 4.9.2. The installation also installed the Anaconda navigator, which is the user interface that you might find it much more user-friendly than using the command line, especially if you are a beginner. And I can see what now is actually installed by default with Anaconda. And the most important tool here is the Jupyter Notebook. Now, Jupyter Notebook is actually a must for data scientists. It helps you write code in a very interactive way. So I can just launch it from here, and I can see my root directory, and I can just start adding a new Python 3 notebook and start actually writing Python code here. And just hit Ctrl Enter or hit the run button, and it will run the code cell that I just entered. I can add a new cell and change its type, for example, to Markdown, not just code. So I can write any Markdown syntax here and hit Ctrl Enter. And the good thing about Jupyter Notebooks is that you can mix between Markdown and code at the same time. And you can actually learn more about the Jupyter Notebook from the jupyter.org website. And that's it. Now you are ready to get started working on data science projects on Linux. I hope this was helpful. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.